Stop. Before you buy OmniVisual, you need to watch this first. Because this brand new platform claims it can help you create high-converting visual content, marketing assets and digital materials using AI in just a few clicks. But here's the real question. Is OmniVisual actually worth buying, or just another AI tool making big promises? In this video, I'm going to give you a full OmniVisual walkthrough, show you what's inside the platform, how it works and how you can also get my exclusive bonus bundle worth over $2,900 if you decide to pick it up. Let's dive in. But before we jump into the walkthrough, if you decide to pick up OmniVisual through the link in the description, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus bundle completely free. These bonuses will help you build an online business faster, generate more traffic and scale your results with proven strategies. So make sure you grab it through my link below to unlock those bonuses. Now let's take a look inside the software.
Meet OmniVisual, the world's first universal AI visual engine that leverages Nano Banana Pro, Midjourney style rendering, DALL-E, and 30+ premium models, all inside one unified powerhouse dashboard. No multiple tools, no multiple subscriptions, just one command center. Now to get started, you can select from the full arsenal of AI visual engines or simply search instantly for whatever you need. Let's search for mockup. Boom! It appears instantly. Let's start with text to product mockup. Enter your keyword here, select your aspect ratio, choose your photographic style, then click generate. And just like that. Look at this. This is what we just generated in seconds. High quality, hyper-realistic, commercial grade. You can download it instantly. Also, all these are generated using OmniVisual. This is not basic AI design. This is production-level 4K output. Now let's try another visual AI tool. Text to photorealistic image. Simply enter your prompt and click Visualize. And there it is. Look at the lighting, the shadows, the details, the depth. This looks like it was shot in a professional studio, and you can download it right here. Also, every single one of these visuals was created using OmniVisual. Now let's go even further. Let's search for image in painting. Upload your image, enter your prompt instruction. For this, let's try to change this sofa in the image to vintage brown leather. Okay, click Apply Instruction. Boom! Instant transformation. This is the previous version, and this is the upgraded result. Seamless, clean, natural. Now let's unlock something even more powerful. Image Advanced Composition. Upload image 1. Upload image 2. Enter your instruction. Click Generate. And look at that, 2 separate images. Merged, reimagined, and transformed into one cinematic masterpiece. That's AI composition at a whole different level. Let's try one more. Search Image Sketch to Life. Upload your sketch, enter your prompt, select 4K resolution, click Generate. And just look at that transformation. From a rough sketch to a polished masterpiece. This is insane. And remember, this is only a fraction of what OmniVisual can do. It comes packed with dozens of AI visual tools designed to generate anything you can imagine in stunning 4K. And the best part is, no Photoshop skills, no API setup, no monthly fees, no external tools. Finally, you have the visual AI engine that gives you the speed, leverage, and creative power to outperform everyone else. Unlimited visual power, one dashboard, 0 limits. I'll see you inside.
Now let's talk about the exclusive bonuses you'll get if you purchase through my link. These bonuses are designed to help you get results faster with OmniVisual. Bonus 1. OmniVisual Live Event. How we generate 6 figures in 60 days. You'll get VIP access to a special mastermind event where you'll discover the underground OmniVisual system used to generate 6-figure results in just 60 days. Inside this training you'll learn The strategies behind scaling online businesses, how to leverage visual content for massive traffic, and how to build profitable systems using OmniVisual. Value: $1,997. Bonus 2. OmniVisual 1K Payday System. This is a step-by-step system designed to help you build a profitable online business from scratch. Inside you'll learn how to set up your online business properly, how to drive targeted traffic to your offers, and how to optimize your funnels for maximum conversions. This bonus alone can help you build a consistent income system online. Value: $997. So if you want to check out OmniVisual and claim these exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Grab OmniVisual, unlock the bonus bundle, and start building your online business today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.